Hey everyone, today I want to share a few simple tricks that keep your vertical clips looking incredibly sharp and punchy across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. I'll show you how I use an AI tool to pull the best highlights from a long 4K video, so I'm never manually scrubbing through hours of footage looking for those viral snippets. Running that long file through the auto editor saves so much time by generating vertical-ready clips that I can drop straight into Resolve for immediate finishing touches. The standard H.264 MP4 often looks soft and washed out after the platform's compression destroys fine details, so I counter this by exporting two versions. After precisely framing your 1080i 920 clip, you must add a very subtle touch of sharpening in the color page to give textures more presence. This intentional over-sharpening combats the inevitable softening that YouTube applies, ensuring details like hair and fabric stay defined in the final encode. Then render both the standard H.264 at 8K and my preferred H.265 QuickTime file, targeting a higher 12,000 kbps, utilizing 10-bit depth if available. Compare them both on your phone, because the H.265 version consistently keeps far more micro detail intact, leading to a noticeably better final look for your viewers.